Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Klipsch the 6's speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons basically. The first one is troubleshooting in case these speakers are not connecting to Wi-Fi or not pairing with Bluetooth, or they're not syncing or pairing with something, or they keep disconnecting, not responding. A lot of stuff like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason where you just want to delete all of the pairing history, all the settings off of them, so you can set these speakers up basically like they're a brand new set of speakers. This reset will do that, and it's really easy. All we need to do is with the speakers turned on, we're just going to come and press and hold the source select button here for 10 to 15 seconds. After those 10 to 15 seconds are up, we just want to come over and just turn the speakers off, and just leave the speakers off for about a minute. Then you can just turn them back on. They will have reset to the factory default settings, and at that point you can reconnect them and repair them, basically like you're just setting up a brand new set of speakers that you just got and took out of the box.